Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to private your Instagram account, which means if you do not anyone to see anything you post in future and you want only limited number of people to see what you post or share on Instagram, so you can simply set your Instagram account to private. So how you gonna do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Instagram account here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on Instagram profile, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply click on three lines here, and after that you have to click on settings and privacy, and here you can easily find the option of account center, but the private account option is not available here. So what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of private account here. So if you turn this on, then only the followers of you will be seen your photos and videos, but if you have already added the followers, then they will be available to see your photos and videos. For this, what you have to do, if you want to see only limited number of followers, then you can simply unfollow them. You do not want to share them your account. So in this way, if you select this, then in future only that people will be able to see your account that will follow, and you allow them. In this way you can simply private your account. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.